Hello, namaste, sat sri akal to everyone. I'm your host Raghav Sabharwal, and today I'm gonna take you to somewhere really nice called Harike Wetlands. So we will start at Harike Dam, and then we will end our session at Harike Wetlands and Bird Sanctuary. So first things first, let's get the view done, and then we'll head off the road and we'll see what else we can explore while visiting that place. Guys, we're about to head off to Harike Wetlands, and it's a very good place. A lot of people don't know about that place, but it's actually a really great place, and I think people should go there with family, with their friends, the ones who are really interested in nature life. And so, yeah, we're gonna start up from Punjab, Amritsar, living in Punjab, Amritsar, and it's about 60 kilometers from here. And my traveling partner is my dog. His name is Daniel. Can you say hi to everyone? So here we go, let's hit the roads, and I will try my best to show you the best interest of you in this video, so hope you like it. Here's some information I would like to tell you about Harike Wetlands. Harike Wetland is based around 10,000 acres, and it is established on the place called Harike village. It was established on the date 23rd March 1990. The wetlands is surrounded by the water comes from Satluj River and also the Bias River. So one more important thing I would like to tell you, like if you're going to this place, you have to get the permission first from range officer. Otherwise you only get to see the dam, the water dam, and the Gurdwara of Harike. Otherwise, if you want to go to the bird sanctuary, you have to get the permission first. For that, I will give you the details below, so you can contact the range officer and you will get them. When you're about to reach Harike, you will see a board saying you have to make a left to enter the Harike village. So after making left, you have to go straight in for 1.5 kilometers, and then you will see a village called Harike. And from that chunk, you have to go straight to the dam. And the first thing you have to do is you have to find a really good place to park your car. So because it won't be your problem, because you have to go inside the dam, and they have a place where you can go further in and enjoy the view. At the Harike Dam bridge, this is the Harike Wetlands. Quite beautiful actually. But we're gonna go further and see and explore more about that. So let's get there. As you can see, we have reached to our first destination, and they provide us the way to go further in and enjoy the view of this place. And this place looks so incredible. I'm just so amazed right now. So we have reached to our next destination called Gurdwara Nanak Sahib. This Gurdwara is famous for its maintenance and great architecture, and also the garden full of breathtaking flowers. It is very near to the dam, and also you can see the whole wetland from this place. This Gurdwara is of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and it is based in Harike Wetlands. Gurdwara, and from here this is the road to Harike Bird Sanctuary. Here we go. So this is the main entrance of Harike Bird Sanctuary. As you can see, the whole wetland is right in front of your eyes, and to be honest, the thing is when you go to these kind of places you just leave your senses and you just want to be in the moment, and that exactly what I was doing right now. Racing G, and he's the watchman of this place, and he was very helpful for me, and the other range officer was really helpful for me to get to the place and make a documentary about this. So we are on the way, and I will get to tell you what happened next. After 20 minutes and after so much workout, as you can hear my breath, it's fucking so hard. But to be honest, today weather was good, so I didn't feel much about it. So here we are, guys, finally on spot where I wanted to come and show you what actual bird sanctuary is. And this bicycle literally helped me to get there. So this is the Harike Wetlands, covered across 10,000 acres. It is so beautiful and so refreshing, as you can see. It is breathtaking for a reason. Harike Wetland is a destination where you can find really different species. As the ranger officer says that birds come here during the season of November to January. Although it has other animal species as well. And if you really like to be around the nature, this place is really perfect for you. That's it for today, and if you really want to come to this place, please get a permission first from the range officer, And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.